YouTube channel. If you don't know me, hi, I'm Tita, and so for today's video we are going to try to recreate a bunch of hairstyles because let's face it, since I did bangs, this is the hairstyle that I'm going for, and honestly I need to change. I need to understand what can I do with this hairstyle, you know? So that's kind of the purpose of this video, is just to have fun with my hairstyle, because that's why I cut it like that in the first place, was just for me to have more fun. So let's go. So okay, this is me raw, without anything on my face, without doing anything to my hair. I'm sorry for those who don't want to see this, but yeah, this is me. I usually like to do eyeliner as well, but because I'm filming these, I know I will not be able to do eyeliner because, I don't know, maybe I'm just eyeliner shy. So I'll do it, but off the camera. After a while of just trying to get them to match, because I'm not like eyeliner shy, camera shy. I am just not good at doing eyeliner, which is fine. You embrace it and you try again and you try harder and everything will be fine. This is my situation right now. As you can see, I'm not very inspired to just let my bangs out because this is my hair without being brushed. So the first look that I'm gonna be doing is just to show you how I usually do whenever I want to just prepare for any like special day and I don't want to get crazy with my hair. As you can see, this is my hair whenever I brush it normally. Then I just use these products to just kind of basically do like this, just give more life to my hair, to just kind of control it. So basically, as you can see, I have my bangs on these sides because usually during quarantine I don't like to style my bangs because they're just very like wild for me. It's a wild concept to just give a proper hairstyle. So this is usually how I style my bangs. So I usually just brush my hair and try to make the bangs go forward because right now they're very used to just being on the sides, and you know, that's not embracing your own hairstyle. So yes, I like to do like this. They're actually very nice right now. I was not expecting it to be this nice because I usually have to use a dry shampoo on the bangs just to give it more structure. This is basically this hairstyle. I really like it. It's very simple and this is what I do every single day. So the purpose of this video is to get out of my comfort zone of like hairstyling, and that's what I'm gonna be doing from now on. So this is like the starting point for each hairstyles you're about to watch. First of all, the bangs are done. Now I'm just gonna move on to just straighten up my hair because she's wearing that on the photo, and that's basically what I actually do when I want to get more fancy with my hairstyle. So this is the hairstyle that I usually use, so I'm not very surprised that I could pull it off because I really like it. What I don't like it's this part of my bangs that is just very dense, and yeah, I kind of just put it aside. It's fine. And yeah, basically I just use dry shampoo to just try to put my bangs up to the front. Today I didn't have to, which was kind of a surprise for me. But yeah, I really like it. I like how it turns out, so let's just get changed and take the photo. I usually wear this outfit a lot. Oh, I miss my jacket. I miss it so much because I've just been in my PJs all day, every day. And I do not miss wearing jeans. So yeah, let's take the photo. So the next hairstyle is something very simple to do. I think she's wearing a bandana, which I have here, and she's super cute and like has the bangs just from the sides and not actually like this, and I actually like it very much. So we shall try. Now I'm just gonna do a basic ponytail, like a little bit high like this, and try to give it a kind of a messy look to it. So like this. So she's kind of wearing these hairstyles. I really like it. It's something that I use a lot, very comfortable. As we go on with this challenge, the hairstyles just get even more difficult and out of my comfort zone. So, but I want these to be also a video where I actually would use all of these hairstyles. So it's not something that is just for the video, you know. It's something that I want to actually try to kind of embrace my bangs a little bit more, you know. What a wonderful. So this is actually a hairstyle that I use a lot, which is just a ponytail because, you know, I like it. It's very practical and it suits everyone basically. So now I'm going to be trying to pull these off. Like how? I don't know. Let's see how. So I changed into this sweater because it's like just a plain red sweater. If I like it or not, I don't know. It's not kind of like my style to do this type of hairstyle. I've actually done it during this quarantine time a couple of times, but it was not like to go out or just wear the style. It's just for me to be more comfortable around the house, but it might be something. Ooh, I actually like this hairstyle a lot. It's very like crazy, you know. I wouldn't do it like just because, but it's kind of very nice, very crazy. So she has like some hairs pulled off. I really like this hairstyle. What the heck? What do you think? So for the next photo, I was too lazy to take off my pants, so it's okay. Now we're going to be doing or trying this hairstyle. It seems very like joyful as well, very nice, very happy, and I really need my coffee, so just the right time. This doesn't come with like an instructions manual and you have to learn everything by yourself, and I'm just trying here. So this next photo is very similar to the last one, but like the little buns are just with some hair and not all of it like I did. So regarding this hairstyle, I really like it. I think it's very joyful as the other one, but honestly just so much work to just pull it off. So the next hairstyle is this one. Is a very simple one to do. It's basically what I do every single day when I wake up, but I usually just put my bangs like this and try to cover my mess. I'm actually having a lot of fun doing this video. I don't know if it's a good video to be uploaded or not, but I'm having so much fun like trying new things with my hairstyle, because I've been kind of depressed with my hairstyle because I did it to be more fun. Like I did the bangs to be like fun and outgoing and everything, and now being just in quarantine, I just don't feel inspired, and my hair is kind of a problem because I can't do a bun properly because I have everything. So I don't know, it's just being a very like stress relief good video for me, and so I'm gonna post it anyways, and I just have a lot of fun doing it. So I'm sorry if it's not the one that you were expecting, but I'm sorry, I just have a lot of fun. So yeah. So the outfit is done. I have my blue sweater. Thank you, boyfriend, for sponsoring my videos. And yeah, I'm just gonna take care of my hair now and hopefully have a good photo. For this photo, she has like a scrunchie, so I got this one. This is yellow. I think it would go for like very good with the blue of my sweatshirt. So we're gonna take these bad boys out and we're gonna try to do a bun. Yay! Do we seem like twinsies? I guess we are twinsies. So the last hairstyle that I use, it's basically the one that I always use because I didn't know what else to do with this hair. It's just to let it be, like I called it. And yeah, this was basically to try to do some things different, but I couldn't just leave the video without just giving you my honest opinion on like what type of hairstyle do I wear, what type of hairstyle do I prefer using, and I usually just use my hair like this. I don't know, let's take a photo to just end this video. And yeah, I hope you guys are like liking the video so far, because it's not something that I would normally do, like going out of my comfort zone and try new hairstyles, because honestly having bangs, it's kind of a difficult challenge sometimes. And I don't know, I think this video helped me a lot to kind of understand what I can do with my hair, and that it is a very cool hairstyle to have. So yeah, let's take the last photo and we're done. I seriously hope you liked this video. I had a lot of fun doing it, and for that, give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Subscribe down below to just be a part of this family. Stay safe, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!